Welcome to a new video. Today we are going to show you how to reset your Amazon remote. In this specific case, we mean the Alexa TV remote and not the Fire TV stick. Let's say it does not work properly anymore, so all you need to do is follow our steps to reset it. It's not hard. All we need are some basic buttons. We need the return button, options button, and the left button on the circle. All you need to do is press all three buttons at once and hold them for 15 seconds. Nothing special, just hold it. So, as soon as the remote stops responding, it means that it has been reset successfully. Our next step is to turn off the TV by hand. Simply pull the cord. Following up, hold your TV remote and remove the batteries from it. It is enough to take one battery out. Now go back to the TV and plug it back in again. Once more you take your remote and put the battery back into it. Lastly, if everything is ready, press the home button so long until you see a blinking light. Like in our case, it takes a bit. And if the TV remote still does not work, hold the home button again until it does. It should be connected in a little while. Sometimes it may take up to 60 seconds, so do not give up easily. As you can see, everything works now. The remote works perfectly fine again. Should you have any more questions, simply write a comment. Hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay tuned for more content.